Holland Bay. Sony A7 IV, and this is a Sony 24-240. It's one of my ones that I've been using a lot now. It's not the best quality lens, but it's doing an amazing job. Light isn't perfect. I do like that cloud loading in there. Let's see if I can get something there. There we go. Not sure if you can see that there. Yeah, it's an alright shot. It's nothing to write home about. Yeah, one of my photographers that I follow, well, not one of my photographers, one of the photographers that I enjoy following is Thomas Heaton, and he always finds patterns in sand. So I'm going to see if we can find something here in the sand. It has like this kind of honeycomb. Let's see if we can do anything with that. While we're waiting for the light in the background, I don't know if you can see it, there's a castle there. Waiting for the light to hit that. So I'm going to make this bright. Find it. Okay. The light isn't working for me. The light isn't working for me. With the clouds, it's almost been a golden light all day long. So see if I can get a composition here with the sand dunes. The waves in the mountains. Not saying that. Oh, here comes that rainbow. Yeah, let's see if we can get it this time. Oh, no. Sometimes it's hard to catch them. If they're too bright and far away, like, oh. Wait, hold on. So I don't know if you see it there, the reflection in the water of the rainbow, and it just came back bright. So I don't know if, like, there's nothing in the shot except for a rainbow, so it's hard to get the shot. It looks kind of boring, but you can bring it back in Photoshop. Oh yes, there we go. Who needs alcohol when you have stones? So, yeah, see this here. Very interesting. It's like the old rivets. It's very hard to frame it, but like, no, actually this might be perfectly framed. A little bit of touching up in Photoshop. See if we I'm gonna put this on hold for a few minutes. This time I was recording the whole time. That's 18 minutes. Jeez. This is why you're not looking around the tripod, because we're just seeing something awesome here. So I have to get a bit closer to it. So you can see the grass there breathing away in the wind. a lovely cloud, dark cloud behind it to contrast it. It's fantastic. I'd say the spot might actually be great for a sunset, but I want to try get another shot or two. There is a guy in my shot now, but if I can just move a little bit this way. Oh, we timed that perfectly. I had a feeling there was a cloud rolling in. It looked very dirty and heavy. It's lashing rain. That was brilliant. I actually very much enjoyed that landscape bit. I haven't done much landscape in a while, and I really thoroughly enjoyed that beach. It was just me out there, camera in hand, no tripod, no filters, no nothing. Just go out, take the shot. Really enjoyed it. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment below. If you are interested in any of my photos for personal use, you can go over to my PayHip, linked below, and you can download them for free. If you want to resell them or use them for commercial purposes, it's a €200 per photo agreement. B-roll clips are available on my many stock sites for sale. You can download them there. Links are also below. If you are interested in doing a workshop, drone photography, landscape, or also I'm doing modeling with lights and nude and art nude and different aspects of photography, you can head over to my PayHip as well, and you can book in there as well. I will be doing traveling trips as well. Coming hopefully next year is Thailand, but I need to sort out a few more things, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Yeah, anyway,